Labeled insane, we play in the rain. We wait and we pray for lightning to strike.
Hello guys, next is Savage here, and I'm just bringing you guys a quick video on the Xbox One. I currently got it today, pretty happy about it. Got 3 new games, and I'm just going to make this video and just show you what you get in, like, the package, all this stuff, all the Xbox features, and this little thing here. It's like what's it called, a battery pack where you can recharge. So it's only a little video, just unboxing everything, and then I'll be bringing you guys some gameplay on Dead Rising, Forza and Battlefield, and COD goes soon. So please subscribe and leave a rating and tell me what you think to it.
Hold on tight, we're alright, it's just thunder tonight. I said let's go. Hold on tight, we're alright, it's just thunder tonight. Labeled insane, lost in our days, but we live and we pray for lightning to strike us down. With the lights and sound, we were left in a haze, now we're lost and we're found. It's fucking cold, I don't wanna go outside. Shit, doesn't matter cause I'm cold inside. Well, whoa, 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 I said let's go, whoa. It's fucking cold, we don't wanna go outside. Shit, doesn't matter cause we're cold inside. Well, whoa, 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 we sing let's go, whoa, whoa. I'm fucking cold inside, it's fucking cold outside. 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 I'm fucking cold inside. Whoa, whoa, said let's go. Hold on tight, we're alright, it's just thunder tonight. Oh.